Sanibonani, this is your boy Pule Mathibe better known as Kelvin intwana semgodi khona le Kenza bathi umkhenza kashawo uyathethiswa. Today we have our special guest ucoach ucoach Big Z. Ucoach Big Z uyasacela ukuthi ucoach Big Z azintroduce. Khamba kanjani sir?
No man, ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu lo umbongeni Zondo.
Ozedo ngazondo.
Yeah, umbongeni Zondo. Ubuya khona la eOrlando but known as Big Z. Big, you know, the only big Z.
BIGZ.
Yeah, sure.
Sure. Ngakho ukintroduce ama teammates wami ngihamba no general ngayini phethe noma voucher. Hamba nomaphoyisa. Thank you.
Thank you.
Owe.
Fanda kushenza format.
Yeah, ngiyabona sifling. Yeah,
I don't ningadime nginenza ukuthi.
No coach you over information.
Oh yeah, no. If you learn very grand. Ngoba ngifuna idani manje sesayishintsha accommodate yena. Ngiyabona.
Lutho
Kuzeni system manje ukuthi manje hayi. Flex.
So.
We welcome you, coach. We welcome
Thank
you to our episode 28. Shibobo Meg. 26. Oh, my mistake. Episode 26. Mr. Big Z. Kanjalo, yeah, coach. Before singing again,
yeah.
Who is coach outside?
Outside the disc. Coach outside the disc. Umjida nje uthanda isikhathi sakhe wenza izinto eziningi, you know, baze nabantu abangaziyo bathi wena uzonke izinto because yonke into inozet vele ucoach someone that uthanda isikhathi sakhe uzibhomela kakhulu nge1 but ngine organization engibhizi nayo kakhulu manje Orlando Legacy. Again, I'm a business person in a company, Big Z General Trading. So besides that, it's business and it's community work through sports.
Okay.
Yeah.
So also, coach, you into a lot of things. Let's say, for an example, in general, le episode.
Yeah. General Trading is the company.
So how do they find you? How do we get to you?
For now, company it's registered and kwamanje ayikakatholi isipane bad because I'm still doing ibanyana encane yabo as an SMME for the guys. Simele nje ukuthi kube nalama project yabo. Ine project wakhiwe stadium ya. Ngiyolwa lapha ngifaka igate company amayingena. But ke ngitholakala amkhona ku Facebook. Bangayibheka Big Z General Trading. Abafuna isponsor me, they can contact me nambeni yami so that I can email them a reference, irrespective of whether it's welding, building, anything that has to do with construction. I'm up for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Basically, construction company.
Exactly. Exactly. It's generally let me generalize and for now ingakho ngithi general trading so that nakusasa amazi ngisuke ngithi ngivula isiphaza kunami ozongiphikisa. Yabo or ukunothi nali tender labantu abacleanayo yena so ngiyenze nje ukuthi be open. Yeah.
Njengoba coach athi says intweni eziningi, what actually made you fall in love with being a coach?
You know, i-disc man ngidlala i-disc chance. No, played football. Bengidlala, I was so fortunate that I played under with group. I saw so special ekas which I include Chusopal.
Okay.
I include Reza Ketuwa Kemasuku. From under 13 up until actually from under 12 up until under 15. Because we need to ukudlala ku 15. You understand that due to which when the problem at all. You understand? Umzimba guys ususelele mina ngangavili ngangibamba phela kunomahluko between two goalkeeper uyavila mina ngangavili ukuvila phela ukuthi mina ngangibamba yabo so ngamu goalkeeper, you know, ngivimbela bona kuthuswa nabo Pereza ngaze ngayodlala kuJomo. I went to Jomo ngadlala no Rulani. Rulani Mukwena bengidlala naye isikojwa ithama la ku KK kuJomo Cosmos under 15. So ngizama ukuthi I think nje ukukhulele kasi nokukhulu udlala ama challenge uba nothando lwebhola kuzoba nalomkhulu nje oyi1 othi osani nizodlalela iclub yami sigcine sidlalela yena yabo. Then from there sizobona ucoach obetter bese siyamuva siyodlala. I think into engenze nje ukuthi ngithanda iDisk Grand Sharp. Yeah, iDisk into esekhasi selokishini so kunzima ukuthi wafika ubani wangishumayeza ngebhola never. It's something esikhulana yilezi zamanje ezingenandaba nebhola ngoba lo esisho ukuthi umhlaba wamanje ungeke indlela ithi intwana ikhula seyicabange happy yabo so now sina lezo zinto lesingekho bokucabanga ibhola nje bokucabanga ibhola yabo so I think nje udlala ibhola into ebeyisekasi and noma ubani bangayenza.
Yeah, coach, hem leads kunale trademark yakho. Intwana waqala nazo from 8 years old and they still play for you at the age of 19 to 21.
Yeah.
Njengoba ushilo ukuthi ngobamba bothi usophala nani yabo bapha saseyintwana so ukuthi into odila ngayo. Njengoba loyalty nje into esikahle kanje ehluke like ihlule nemali. Imali yangena iphuma nokhona kanjani?
I think into ebalekile akunantwana ezokujikela ekhula nayo. It's very difficult. So people start questioning loyalty player lesikhathi intwana uyithola seyina 17. So there's no loyalty. First of all, now we touch someone kusho ukuthi la isuka khona zange ibe loyal. Then we expect him to be loyal to you. It won't happen. But now reason why mina zami loyal it's because ngisuke nazo sina 8. And uma ngiqala 2017 ngazitshela ngathi we going to undergo at least sizohlala nami la for the next 7 years. Because ngine vision yokuthi if mangingathatha le team siyayiqala niyabona I'm forming a team. It was shortly after ngicela ukuyeka iThusophala because ngiyengaya ukucoacha kuThusophala Academy. Yabo ngilandwa uYuthuso noma wakho uMam Susan and I will always be grateful to that woman. Ma'am Susan, because he's one person, you know, before ngiyada, and I just want to share something ukuthi ngidlale ibhola ngaqala ucoach ngena 15 years. Then after ngacoacha, nobody took me serious ekhasi.
Yeah.
First of all, benginokubona lezi engisazi coach before ngizoba nale team yami ngiqala. Bokuthi masiyodlala eWestbury, masiqale sehlike eTexini, remember ukuthi ama player ahlale emuva ngocoach ngihlala phambili. Besithi masehlike eTexini, iTex mayifika lehla mina kuqala. Ama opponent agcokile amelapho. By the time lehlika mina kuqala, uzozwa inkulumo. You understand? Ngeke sidliwe coach kodwa
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So yabo bekunaleso stigma nyane lesikhona, you understand? Hayi umuntu ongaka ngingacoach abantu abadliwa umuntu ongaka. But leyo nto beyicreator animal within the team. Because besishaya ukudlula inyawo. Nayibona inyawo ishaya. Besishaya ukudlula inyawo. Besikole zesikole ngomreverse. Yithi into zami yabona sesiyabadla ka sokorani sibheke so city. So ngizama ukuthi but it created bengingafuni create inzondo. Yabo but created an animal within. And the little group yami yokuqala, it was not a team but it was ukuthi nje siyadlala. Today yiba abantu abafanda team yami.
Oh, that's nice.
You understand? That group yami yokuqala ngina 15 because ngibe na 15 ngacoach intwana ezinabo 11 by then. Bengizishiya nje ngabo 3 years 4 years. Today ziyaspana, zigelezile, zithakanza kuma production company and what so on. So ngizama ukuthi Umam Susan came and saw a potential game. No coach Bika. How yet to me to coach Bika. They saw a potential, something that I never thought we understand. But they saw a potential. Mam Tuzo said, "Mfunuzo coach go academy." That was a big step.
So
yeah.
So coach step. So kahle boy life coach. Bongasi coach eDisk kahle boy life coach in general.
Eskela kahle. Ngithe ukugeleza nyana yabo. I didn't tell man to share matric. I went now shy teaching, yabo. Ne bachelor's, education. We foundation phase. Grade 1, grade R, grade 1, grade 2. Maspan I think 6 months. A year alone. About teaching is on Babes and German get class in Lane was saying that Janquara. Now I'm about to rap and teaching. Then I went to Naushaya in diploma in mentoring and coaching. And Nemeti Koniwe School of Leadership. That is where I told her. This one was Kulu. then after I did ngayishaya futhi counseling na certificate sayo ukuthi asina diploma general and HIV counseling. So vele nje lento nje ukukhuluma nani into engiyijwayele. That's why kulula. Yabona ukuthi background ukuthi kulula nomuntu ukuthi makahleli nami angangikwazi ukungihamba. You understand? Because mina into emnandi ngami is that mangibheka iplay angilibuki just someone that will come and perform for me. But I need to ukuthi mangibheka iplayer ngilibheke holistically. You understand? I need to check the background yakhe, yabo, so that I can understand him better. Noma fika ngekho right ngiyakwazi ukuthi esat konje vele kubo kunokenzeka into eso. So now uyabona ukuthi ngidila ngezinto eziningi kanjani. So leswa kube lula for mina ukuthi lezi ngikwazi ukuzibamba. Because bengizibheka ngenye indlela rather nje someone ozofika ekseni adlala ibhola ahamba egroundini ngiwinile ngiyobeka itrophy lapha kwi-room divide angithi sekunama TV stand.
So coach, so coach, obviously kule journey yakho there were some hardships, right?
Yeah,
isn't it that you had to go through them for you to actually see ukuthi ubendwe ngayiphi band?
Yeah.
Sharp. Back to lento lokuthi yini into ebe challenging ukuthi umentore le ntwana lezi and futhi yini into ebe challenging when you enter like the field of play?
Yeah. You know, my challenges, they are almost the same. As long like us and span and development. One is that we want to do things as above it. Meanwhile, Tina, if you pay a training session, you're under 12 years.
Yeah.
We are Ibuga and want to say, Namanga so sorry, but now get Luga because of Indokara, you're not well resourced. They are well resourced. Now, we training a bit, we told it what is E20, Zonkebazi Pamapola, but Chakin, Ilogial take when I am the Polity one. You're going to get Luga Ganja, Banamama cow 10 when you 9-4 to the so big 18. And this teen is a hazard. Must step around. Then the Azimazum does. We are both Melanga weakness. So Zamukuti. There were a lot of those are one of the challenges that you meet. But now it's all about improvising. Elifiniami angina my challenge. That's why sometimes it's very difficult for me to answer question what are your challenges? Because I only have my lessons. To say if I can't do this way, there must be another way that I can do. Rather say it's a challenge, because if it's a challenge, it's on strain anyana, kalik vuga stress nangbonga kana, angna sugar langna high blood, nyawazlo. So there are a lot of challenges, you know, but the biggest challenge, I want to be honest with you, was me being a coach in Gule size and it was I had to deal with a lot. Till today it still happens. Coach is a coach. But that was one of the things that is encountered.
But then, coach, let's say criticizer.
Yeah.
So were there no people about you once a player?
You know, umuntu mefuna ukucekela phansi. Akananda.
Okay. As long as I win.
Yeah. Abantu bazi ukuthi ngidlala this, you know. But you'll find one person athi akakaza kadlala ibhola leyo. Yabo. Some of them they don't know, because remember ngileke at the age of
50.
But I have a reference. Yabo. If you want the reference, I'll give you to say, awukulanda ukuthi uzobhala. So I have a reference yabo ezikhulumelayo without fear of favor. You understand? So but ke impilo, no? Yeah, umuntu.
So manje coach ngiyawuzwa le ntwana lezi uzicoachiwe at the young age until zize zaba fruit. Okay, sharp reality da mara khona into ebizijabulisa buyenza. Ezenza ukuthi like mina ngingacoach push MDs. Then I used to be happy managing because I know ukuthi trainings are fruitful. Game day kuzoba mnandi because ngiyazi ukuthi besiwina and so yini lebo yenza kula ma player la ukuthi athi yo namhlanje ngifuna ukugijima yo maybe let's say bebadlala Saturday ubachile ukuthi okay Sunday off so bona na Tuesday maybe quarter why Tuesday was gym na Monday because they were happy going there. What makes what did you do ukuthi ebayenza ukuthi
Babe
like
ne-drive.
babe ne-drive
Bahlale
ukuthi
basegymini.
sifuna ukuhlala esejimini sifuna ukuhlala esejimini
athi mina beswina njani But then, yeah, I think more than anything, one thing that I want to say, abo coach basekhaya, especially njoba ngiphendula wena, abadila kakhulu nge development. I want us to move away from the word development. Rather, we say grassroots development. You know, you don't just say development. Not grassroots. We need to respect that.
Yes.
And the tricky part is that our coaches, they miss all this group as a process yokuthi uzoba coach. Ucoach uvele namhlanje afuna ukuba coach, saka coach under 17. It is very, very difficult. Angeke ubagcinela abantu, ngeke uzubatshele next because of you don't know it growth. You understand? Yabo noma ungaya kuyiphi company, ungaya kwi company makuthiwa i-induction yokuqala, bonke bane formula growth. Even in football, if you attend the course, une formula ekuthiwa growth. That's why the biggest challenges now, like us, abo coach like us, they don't want to do abafuni score. You understand? Mawungathi manje asiyeni, kunomahluko between mina I've got KVB certificate of attendance. It's not just a certificate, it's a attendance certificate, which was hosted by la Johannesburg Stadium by KVB what they are saying.
Oh yeah.
I attended the workshop. A lot of workshops are coaching. Yes. Now I grassroots certificate yes, I have. Gine D license, yes, Gine C license. So I've enrolled with scale, coaching. And one thing that frustrates abo coach ukuthi why bangakwazi ukwenza izinto is because of law course. Let me tell you, akufundiswa lento oyifunayo as coach. Anidonta ukuthi bawathenda course bazokutshela nge442 352 ikachinaye la bakufundisa how to plan as a coach. Yabo ngabiza manje coach manje uyohlala nabantwana ngithi can you please plan me a training session? What is a training session? I'm telling you, abantwana ufika bashayisa ama round baqedile abadlalisa 11v11 4v11. There's no warm up within, there's no warm down, there's no stretching, there's even the stretching is yatifara, corner static stretching. So if immediately you equip yourself as a coach, believe you me, out young, abantwana they will enjoy you because within the training session, fun games. You need to introduce some fun games. Make them enjoy, make them love what they want. I mean what they're supposed to do. Don't force it, because if you start forcing it, they will tell you. I go coach on a red card in Jenga, empilwe. Yep, not today tolerate. Today tolerate card. You know, because of one thing that frustrates me, I work very hard behind closed doors.
Yeah.
We train, we practice. Remember, which if I don't just go, they rehearse, they do it. So not whatever thing that we then people reverie emotion. No, can just look see the whole week. So it's no cooler the very because of nothing with our jam. But you know the work that we're doing during the week, nothing done. You know, then when you figure you decide to go to let's do that stand. Then yeah, but again, more than anything, just to answer you is that winning and making sure you balance what you want them to do and what are they expecting from you. You understand? The rule is that it's 70-30 to the play. 70 you play for the team, 30% you do it for yourself. It will be 30, it can be 70, then you play the team will be 30. That's and make sure they love school. Make sure they that's why I'm happy because of that is what that is comment they will write if man I've got 100% passing rate metric. I'm compromised.
Wow.
Actually, the first thing in the end, I rather have a lawyer in my team or a doctor rather to have a professional soccer player. Because we are poor man to accident in your career. But if we doctor, where on a stand, where I was you'll still continue to practice because in their team.
Yeah.
You understand? So I push scale more than anything. Yes, I know not everyone will make it academically. Yeah, but academics, a was a pambi, it's supposed to be. You understand? So nginjalo nje. So this one probably into ebagcinayo yabo babe la ku-Ivory.
Balance.
Yeah, you need to
Really
balance.
balance academics and sports.
Mhm.
Bafethu. Nangu coach Big Z sekakhulumile abo coach laba upcoming coaches. You must watch this episode.
Yeah,
She's on
exactly.
fire.
If ufuna ukuba i-coach like maybe at a young age una 15 no maybe khona ayithanda ukudlala ithanda nje i-coaching yini ekumele ayenze yini ama-steps ekumele awalandele for ukuthi abe a-great coach like
Keleza. Yeah. Firstly, make sure you speak with your inner self. Then ufuna ukuyenza lento because coaching takes a lot. Remember ukuthi awusena weekend. Ibela back to into decision motweni. One thing engenza ukuthi ngiyeke coaching is that ngiyabona ngizogcina ngifana la kumkhulu sengizogugela eground namagwebo ngilokhu ngisesekra just can't do that. Yabo seyizinto akusabonakala. You understand? Those kati ngiphethe iza yokhamaze empompini. Cabanga yomkhulu la umkhulu kani radio yokhamaze. So firstly you need to speak with your inner self. Make sure you understand what is expected from you first. I can't expect something what is expected from me. You understand? Commitment, it has to be. I'll send a weekend, I'll send a during the week evening.
Hospitality.
So you need to make sure you commit to the course and I would again encourage. If you go through the steps, if I'm a player, I always, it's good, it's happening right now, but I a player who told you lidlala ku-under 11s quickly ngoba ngathi ithi mnandi nyana sesifaka ku-under 17 iyangiphandla nyana. Yeah, because of one is that kune stage asijampayo. There are 13 or 15 important gabi kwi-growth yakhe development. It's like ufana njenge-Vors. I-Vors uyayazi i-Vors uma uyifaka ku-microwave yashesha ukuvuthwa but ayivuthwa kahle than lesepanini. Ma ungayiwosa manje epanini izovuthwa grand but ithatha isikhathi awutshela.
So, coach, would you say, yeah, I'm actually going there. Would you say, coach, like, there's some certain stages, so which our jump to 12, 17. That's why most of our players, that's my opinion, most of our players, they're not making it. Like, Guma level aspect, like European leagues, stuff like Abalast, because the stage is the best champion.
So catch up and out.
What?
Patching, whether you like it or not, patching, champion stage. Uzothola manje uSimphiwe makuvaliwe ikolo njalo. Abantwana abadlala iphathi udlala nabo iphathi.
Champion stage.
Udlala isport abantwana. Because of lesa stage sakhe sebhathi yena bekazibona usisi abhizi nabafana. So now siya catch up. By the time ikolo sivaliwe abantwana ababhizi badlala ibhathi nescope ball. Uyaqala uyahalela. You know why uhalela?
This one is debatable. This one is debatable.
It will catch up with you.
Yeah, okay. Kule scenario le yaka Simphiwe nana. So ukuthi Simphiwe lezinto uyazikhumbula bekazihamba ngasimkhumbuza ubusha bakho ufuna ukuyodlala.
Uyambona umuntu odlala ngokuthi lento bengiyidlala. He wants to show the kids ukuthi ngeke uzodlala even nelanga lonke. You just play for 30 minutes. Because ikhumbuza lana. AluSimphiwe because baladlala. Uzoyidlala nje ngomdeni abantwana baqale ngo10 uyoza chayisela ngo5. Kuvale yena. And uyolola nokushaya amathini. Makuyikhetha ukuthi kushaya amathini. Uyathi hayi thina kushayele mina. Akithi yini challenge lokho. So if I let this kitchens let this linjalo guys, if you keep definitely for some reason to catch up out here. Yeah. So you need to undergo all the stages as a development.
Ngiyakhumbula uTekuke wayisho lento le. Tekumudisi ukuthi yena ulidlalela ibhola but ufila ngazuthi bekune difference beyibonakala phakathi kwakhe. I think bekuSteven Pienaar bamcompare naye ukuthi uSteven uyabona ukuthi uyile development uyile kule stage lezi nana but yena talent laseKasi leRoba vele bamthatha but hey wena wavele wadlala and wadlala ibhola laseKasi. So I think it's
bengafuni ukuya la. So ungisa la. That's why till today mawungabheka all the successful players abasuke South Africa abadlala ibhola international and made igama for bona international.
Yeah, true. Yeah. Quentin Fortune,
Steven Pienaar,
Benny McCarthy.
Okay.
but amakhaladi thina iyi-1 usirele
Yeah.
engathi iyavela.
Yeah.
Abo Sibusiso Zuma.
Okay,
They tried at
yeah,
least.
they
Lucas
tried,
Radebe.
but because of the color, baby, the mentality, you know, because now for some reason, color lava skip record. Yes, Uru, Uru made it too. You understand? But mama pega nje, le generation yethu after Uru, those were colored. Namanje I'm telling you, ngithi mina kubo sikhala ngorile, sikhala nangomkhodo, ane? And everyone that is moving abroad, you know, kunentwana that is going to make it. Campaign.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Clearly.
Prague.
He's going to make. That one is going to make it. I'm telling you, he's going to reach. Even if no manga dalanga, the so-called big teams in Europe, but he's going to play good big league.
Big leagues, yeah.
That I'm certain. You understand? But now again, color. That's why ngithi siyera bona mayikhuluma kanjalo kuba ngathi probably yeah ubaya abantu basekazi
nani ikhadi
yeah yabo that's why ngithi bengingafuni ukufika la but ke makumele silungisele izinto ezilungisa ibhola sinokubeza abantu bathi fixing South African football by critic you are fixing what being a critic
South African football.
No, being a critic. How can you fix something while criticizing? No, if you fix and fix, man.
I won't say that.
Unfortunately, kuzobekuthiwa kusasa nomzulu ukhuluma kakhulu akadala. Yes, angidala professional, but I've got an academics.
Yeah.
I've got an academics.
And there's players
Exactly, definitely. So that's why when we're speaking about fixing, let's fix. Let's start there. We can't criticize. Let's start there.
Maka from Le Pezulu, Safa, Demi Jordan, obviously. But no race card. Yeah.
Yeah, no. Yeah, that's why it's not cool much when you speak about Safa, you're speaking about something else.
So like coaches in those sources, fix kanjani vele so like uthi like
Because speaking of
fixela kanjani solution yini to
I just want to be honest. I don't know. I just want to be honest because of it won't even take a region to fix such a thing. Yeah, you know, you can't blame us. You can't even blame about before us. You can't blame about before one. Then the amosheka dala pants. Yes, it might be fixed, but I believe it's going to be a long shot. Yeah, I think the kulungisa umuntu wasa South Africa. Umlungise nje ibuhlungu because of lo muntu lo wasa South Africa. Wamoshwa uMandela umethi kuye wena ungawarisheki uloku ungasebenza ungafunanga nini ngizokupha indlu ngizoholisa uzothola amanzi ogesi free yonke so lo muntu uhlezi umile kuleyo nto leyo ku difficult to change ingqondo yalo muntu so nathi to change that it will take a lot but again I always say another thing that is killing us, you know why these other but in race right? I'm a race. You know why these other races are at least bangona the support. You see?
Yeah. Support system.
There's one thing that it's always in my heart, and which we wanted to do it. No, Mam Susan, Butusopala Academy, but they spoon and Tusopala Foundation, Nabu Putman to Shabala, was to run a program with player, parent, and coach. We need to have those programs, you know. Invite abazali bagcwalise ulweni. Yabo mabangagcwale ulweni mabawulanda igroza December. You understand? Because we intended. Mawungathi manje ukhishwa igol, ukhishwa ama-food parcel la epokwani mall, uzoyibona iline yinto izi-champion strategy ungena ngale TV. We understand. So abagcwale with such programs because we need to bridge the gap between abazali ne-player ne-team.
Because the road very team the player was a
road. Yesterday bengidlala again game league la eBetsane Sports Complex. You know masingena ne-team yami kugcwele imoto all these expensive cars amaphiya mama ngithi kuzo lezi zami athi why so ngithi for sure academy game yabona le game academy bathi kanjani ngithi I'm telling you masiyehla kudlulele time ngithi yini le league bathi angithi yini bathi academy ngithi ngitheni because of you know why ama-team aku-academy ayasupportwa
abazali vele it's
alibabhadala bayeza uphuma ugogo nomkhulu ne-camchair ne-cooler box ne-umbrella nomama no-auntie nobhuti bazosupport which something that you won't see kula ma-ground
Yazi coach ukhuluma enye into important support structure between abazali nelona. I think ama player abhaya la elokishini vele. So like accountability there ukuthi mina ngiyodlala every weekend and umfana ngiyambona ukuthi like yalincane idisk. We are week in week out during the week usejimini nangane not. And now as a coach I support because of khona abo coach ukuthi no Manchester United team ukhona ukuthi akukhamba. Already leyo coach leyo besides abazali bakho sokuyiparent vele. Mela athathe responsibility ukuthi usafe ufike kahle. So like i-support edlalwa ama parents. I think njoba usho ukuthi like kumele kube yiyo le bridge lemele vele silisane nayo vele. Of which is kabe vandag ukwaka hore bana di top talents tse le go no di prosperile. Like they feel like level ngebo go ile balonko yona
ke re ka be vandag wena
lo go na so like because I remember very silidlalile nathi.
Yeah.
We were never supported. I think into engwe lo go like ile ya re motivate in a way go like what's again athola ntle kwatsa ke nkosha ba ske la one se ke vele ke tswela taba tsa but then still why rata right wabo why rata so like I think ke yona le ding lo go vele ya the team staff or whatever they should consider it
ke sabina yo coach dating sathi PSL Academy
yes
they were ngisho ukuthi why suffer ingayithathi to their own hands but keep something like kick out so ngizothi out singithi out for no but bangalandi abantu nje abasipana nabo le balanda coach Big Z uPlome Orlando uyalicava idisk laseKasi but no coach sicela uzosipana nesafu usipane nathi we get players through you sine academy sivulile we wanna do this for the South African football by Pitori balanda coach somewhere Cape Town Durban nana so that labo bantu labo bazosipana bazoshaya groundwork but working for South African football ukuthi ibe da because of mawubheka manje sothi the best league esibukela iEPL bheka where they come from bheka
African players
team bathi Coventry maka mayidlala eKasilabo yaqwala sold out bheka mabavaya badlala away nabo Arsenal bane space ababekile sona yaqwala still leso spaceless because of ilento lokuthi bayiqala from development bayazi ukuthi intwana seCoventry izodlala iCoventry intwana seOrlando izodlala iOrlando base White City then kube neSoweto team aseSoweto zazi ukuthi ifeeder isafa ama players kunasePitori khona umuntu wenza the same thing so that iPSL masibukele siyakhona ubukela iswelele namazulu manje school because of ntangakwazi ukutrapper lapha yana mina sikhali ngalaidi akwazi ukutime pass akwazi makumela shaya sithi yo nangu uthatha ishot
organization ayiyo
ushaye ile mara likhona iplayer coach ayo no mali ngathi lifuna ukuthatha ishot iya on target goalkeeper sakhona ukushaya izandla ukuthi no on target well done it's coming
and leso structure sokuthi even the players that we see khona manje labe sibabhekelele TV nokubona uRevi Makatheni uhlahlela isandla kuphendela ucoach having that PSL Academy already you mentoring them from those levels that esikhuluma ngazo ukuthi you don't jump the stages mawufika lapha you know ukuthi attitude wise discipline wise consistent and everything 100
you know I like the gents ngendlela esicabanga ngayo nje basila nangendlela esikhuluma ngayo these are the things that I'm saying when you say you fix it you suggest you think around everything rather being critic. You know, the challenge now, you're asking me, since there is nothing. One is that there is a gap between the PSL and the SAF. And those two institutions, normal association, they run football as a South Africa. Whether we like it or not. There's a gap between and then so that's politics. I don't want to go there's Danny Jordan, man's in your head. That's an honest truth. Then there is SAFA. That is killing our football. Tina, we're trying to revive and we're trying to do things right, but SAFA is killing our football because of Abantu Abarani Ball South Africa. We should have been in a situation as we are South Africa in terms of football. Irrespective of VAR, we were supposed to be the first in the continent. after World Cup.
Yeah.
I-World Cup ishiyile ngesinenyuku guys.
True.
There's a lot of money. Ne-legacy eshiwe no, so Tina, we are made to believe ukuthi the only legacy eshiwe World Cup stadium.
I don't
Now there's a lot.
Yeah, but
There's a
that's
lot.
what you
It's
made to
actually-
believe.
I-
There's a lot there.
Angithi Tina sazwana nto hayi stadium ithelaphe. Hey, askizina hey kwamekutenza ngisebenzise cishe ngalisebenzise amanga la cishe ngalisho amanga la
Ungikhamisa ngabathi.
cishe ngalisho kodwa so ngizama ukuthi there's a lot guys and Isafa has killed everything. I will tell you let it start from ezikolweni ngenzela ijinge ekolo just to make a point yami ekelo wakunama tournament wakunabo Denon mawinile udlala eFrance Euro
Yeah.
wakunabo Coca-Cola wakunabo bantu bonke nama
Chappies.
tournament abo Chappies
Yeah.
bedlala igele abo Tsovila nabo bani they were unearthed ezikolweni you understand football was active awungitshela i-tournament eyi-1
Hey,
nothing uzakuthiwa kunama winter game nothing
So
they killed and through Isafa these things azisayenzeki ngidlalela iDenon I was unfortunate ngadliwe etafuleni sengithathwe nama measurement thiwa phakamisa isandla sengathi abantu bangithumisela abantu ngoba bengena size it was 2010 it was 2014 year World Cup ye Brazil.
Yeah.
Remember Denon i-World Cup maya kuleyo country ama winners ayodlala izohostwa ileyo country ngashawa etafuleni sengidlala i-national anthem ngicula ndoda eRegge Park Stadium sifikelela kwathiwa ufaka umuntu omdala ngithi it was under 12 kungena umuntu omdala engimfakile sayilwa that is where ngabona ukuthi Isafa i-involve kulezi zinto because i-hearing yami sathi masiyolwa sesihamba ngihamba no-principal wesikolo sesiyayoyilwa lento basise Isafa then I said Isafa ingenaphi because mina I thought it was the Department of Education the district so why now we going to Isafa ngathi here futhi akhonolala ngathi sithwile mntakazona but ngizama ukuthi I'm supporting into engiyikhuluma angikhulumi ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi yabo ngikhuluma ngoba ngibe kuyo leyo situation ngayibona yenzeka so now atela ama tournament wonke nje obanyamalala I was like ubani omunye umuntu ozoyenza nyamalala kusho Isafa
So kunento engiyicabangayo coach angazi ukuthi ngaba iqiniso ringini I'm just thinking nje ukuthi njengoba basusela ama tournaments eyigela ngoba isports asathathwa grade ezikolweni seba ngathi basusa nje completely ngibona ngama athletics
yeah
that's why they creating ikole esifana nabo School of Excellence yabo bantu boFarouk abangani babo ukuthi bazokhona ukuthi kube abathola ama opportunities
it's possible
you understand because if phela akathola ntwebha the players emnati ditwa from Kokas ne
possible.
and if kitore ke Farukan or maybe Kipule Mathieu Bula School of Excellence obviously let's say for an example Kispula Kokas you will have to pay again and you paying you getting access to the total grant where you're not pushing that diesel that class you don't even get a chance to perform umuntu ane performing under 10 uthola opportunity so naluma 2021 nako save ayi
you know thank you because bengingayideki ngaleyo ndlela you know ifana nalento yokuthi bavala amanzi because of bafuna kulethwe amanzi ngama tank ngalama water tank and ama water tank abangani babo you understand uzokuthiwa there's a 48-hour maintenance yamanzi vele bazowavala from a bathini save or what they are called because they want their friends to benefit so ngizama ukuthi I really concur no Butla umethi bazenza lezi zinto so that ba enrich amalokuzane nama institution wabangani bawo you understand so that abe grand 2010 left ama high performance center which were funded by I'm not sure whether by government or by sports is the government or ISAF but they were built ePitori there's a high performance center
HPC
you understand you know then basivalile indawo yethu yokuswima nabantwana bethu iFanville bathi bakhama ground la ISAFA sabayibiza ukuthi ISAFA what la anceda ngani lama ground amela kuze kube ne international weekend kuze asebenze and asebenze lapho because bafana ya rotate sinini Jimelwa stadium banyana ijimele UJ under 17 ayenzanga ama ground lawa la akhiwe la facility uyabona ukuthi isidlalwa ngathi yiwo ama ground ebekumele ukuba yase isquad makuloku kudlalwa so bathola abo coach that will work nalabantwana put them lapha high performance center babe ba train abayenza zonke lezi zinto so that by the time ku-reachwa kufuneka ama-player from i-national team, we've got ama-player from our own pool we-SAFA, then nalawa amanye ama-team. DTC is helping very, very well. Nikhala ngokuthi, gents, you guys, you never had opportunities in Saturday ball. I agree with you. That's why currently, internet ayifuna ukudlala ibhola yalazi iyangiwarisha because there are a lot of opportunities.
Yo, plenty.
Nina bewongeka ama TTC nani i-Pirates yayiwani kwakuyile ka-Erika eOrlando. Eka slow hand, you understand? Or eka Palacios currently opportunities are there. There was no reserve league. There was no MTC. Opportunities are there. You understand?
Even make it through TikTok.
Exactly.
That's how
Yabo.
opportunity.
But still again, lezi zinto zikhona mara kuba ngathi zivalelwe, zivulelwa certain individuals. You understand? Come Tolu Chipa now is building something like a school of excellence. I'm not sure you take school of excellence. There was something like then Chipa Pengis. You know, but you know why now? Why Ibuya given Mondo in Itata Siras? Ilenda show uyenza so cause he knows ukuthi there is nothing that is happening. Yonke into izobheka kuyo.
Straight up. Hey, ihlungu lento hey.
So ibhola that's why ngithi limnandi uma selidlala lapha eground enulibheke but behind there's a lot that is happening.
A lot.
And mawungathi uyaqala uyayilwa leyo nto.
You're fighting a losing battle.
You're fighting a losing battle because of yonke into ine bathi ni big 5. Ake currently ngale big 5 yemadala. Nasebholweni kule big 5 ya. If you mean there is big 5 ebholweni, so you don't wanna even try and which we are ingena leyo, but it's all about you ubheke, observe and hope for the best ukuthi as in one day izinto zizoshintsha.
So phela besikhumbula nangathi abazali bahlala bakhala mawuphuma esigele lahle ibhek le hembe la washanga masoki steam team se-strategi
uye ground
buyimpunga
uye ground ayijiki but now sekunzima now because of ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo and not only you know ama-temptations maningi this nowadays and Joe that's why it's difficult but it's all about us again not to lose hope. Let's try and change impilo zala machita yabo. Sometimes they depend on you yabo indirectly so yabo hence ngisho ngithi mina you know angizange bengishaya but I've never done that publicly because of for some reason probably I'm a public figure.
You are
in a sense of a role model. You know when you say you're a community builder when uqala ugwema ezinye izinto ongazenzi yabo uvele lento ngizenza sekumanje yabo but till today mina ungahambe eKaSlam it's rose uzwa bathi nimbonile bekaphethe iB. I will never do that yabo ngizizela nje khona la to this ngithi ngizigele understand so ngizizela nje khona
nizwile bafethu
yeah no
shawe to this
so ngizama ukuthi because of you wanna portray angeke angifuni kwayo yabo bese the next thing ngizithola ngibhema yabo but ke impilo injalo you understand but again that's why ngithi you cannot only do this who you want you understand you try and uyenze coaching njengoba ngisho ukuthi nale business nayo ucoach Sizwe neke out about ushabalala Orlando Lakers.
nathi sibhizi silapho kulelo qembu silapho
yeah yabo so sibhizi kakhulu it's something that we sithema sihlala phansi icabanga then we said what motivated us it was Makhufe you know and say abantu base Johannesburg ababe nemakhufe yabo why njalo kumele sePitori for ucelebrate ibhola music
festival
at the very same weekend you know so we trying to raise something like that yabo but with celebration in Orlando because Orlando 2032 is will be 1000 yabo so sigijimise lokho next year it 95 so sigijimisa lokho yabo ukuthi will be having this
now your plans are valid
yeah so that's why ngithi siyaspana yabo and not only in football because le nto ngaleza njengoba ngisho ukuthi uyayicoacha and njengoba lezi zami yazazi yabo uyabona uyazi ukuthi kubo vele understand so kukhuliswa ugogo mawuledi wapho uthama grant how you saw we should then bana ngathi ungayinceda that's why makuvela ama opportunities ukuthatha yona zonke uzoba imashali ba makuphela tournament or lo event oyenza at least background yabo ayikho enye indlela ozoyenza ngayo. So that's why ngithi and the but late trick intwana bo coach ngicela baphele coach phala abantwana imali mabadlala i-tournament bawina ngicela baphele imali
Motivation.
I remember there was one time isidlala i-Discover lekusasa i-Discover sadliwa ku-final sathola inyuku so sathi masithola inyuku kunomunye coach Bika wathi kithi yazi le ntwana masozigaya imali yazi Discover kunamagame adoma banokufeature ngo7 kunje bawufuna ukukhipha etournamentini but 7 o'clock ekuseni so leyo obviously ifuna umzali kumele ukukhulume nomzali ukuthi ngicela ungivusele yena yabo so kusho ukuthi tournament yayi involved abazali sadliwa ku final sathola into yethu thema sithola Discover futhi ayemnandi zayingadi beyiphela ngabo yi30 kuthi namajita sawaplayer ukuthi yi31 awonke unge31 ulahla ingqondo ngiyakutshela sempuna manje awungathi strong wena mina nawe nje inokulahleka i-network i31 umuntu uba usikomota kancane yabo so ngizama ukuthi bese ngibonile kanti lenkulumo sezikhona understand sithema siqeda ukwini semi-final amajita bawubale second prize uthi ngisabalothi nje sekukhona into esesikhwameni asisakhulumi nge-first prize sibaka leso khitshwa ama-calculator ndoda divide by what masingathola abangezwa kithi thina hayi into vele sidliwe kufanele emapenaltini siyithole into esiyitholayo coach adazini basingagali intwana sizoyiphuza yonke le mali yabo athi kimi coach Sakhile now coach Biggs kunenge-out yami coach Sakhile a very good friend of mine esibuya fair ne-coaching athi hamba nothenganisa kala ama-pieces ama-25 kg ama-pieces lawo yabo le ntwana sizozigaya ama-pieces nama-50 rand so that zibe nomngena endlini uya-understand le ntwana mazoyigaya le-clip uthi yena le ndlini yoshaya angeke lifike endlini yabo and kusasa and le ntwana ngendlela ezistudi ngazo umama kathi ayangipanga nix ibheka phansi ayithi basiphi ibheka phansi uselo coach bakuthuka endlini bakuqela angeke azathi hayi mara ungiphi akendawo uzicabangelela ke sayi uyazi ukuthi bakangavumi uzothi uyihlise yabo understand
ongwana othi bangikandrika abantwana
yabona sase sehlike taxini sibeka ama-plastic zisimele uthi iphelele iza so itaxi sibeka ama-pieces phakathi bokathi zingakhala coach manje isenze ibray thiwa sawe bray awendlino sazigala intwana sathi ama-50-50 you know le ntwana zayenzani I think 5 years zaziboma yi-15 5 years zadasi siyabonga coach zasigama ama-pieces back with an attitude siyabonga coach asilambe makithi hayi ke yabo mavukuvuku yabona amaphara
thatha letha nale
babe bathatha lawo ma-pieces bagele iphaza yabona iphaza zamakhulu bathi bashiya 5 sikayi 2 clip 5 sikayi 2 clip we understand zi-2 intwana ekwafika ama-pieces kuzo emakubo
out of 15
but you know i-team yaphela kuphela kwe-team azange angeke ngize ngisho igama lakho you understand but ngizama ukuthi you know sometimes let's keep them happy give them yabo because immediately when uthi uqala ukuthi uzama ukubafundisa a bit of responsibility and not so on uyababulala yabo so mayisile lo mali yakubo umdivide that's why I always say mina how I so wish izongibinda le ithi ngingayikhulumi wrong sometimes nginokusho ukuthi winwa ama-tournament awinwa ama-team just like me I-vote mina ngiyi-team le 180 mangiyiwinile definitely izonceda i-team
exactly
yabo mara mayiwinwe ihlanganani iyashare yo 180 yonke iyashare uchairman uthola i20 the rest 4000 5000 6000 ucoach yiwenu ibride mina mayisi yabona mina mayiwinwe i-Ivory nedingo eyiningi kakhulu inkinga zami iningi kakhulu ze-Ivory because ngizobele i-chance asithatheni 5 tiger for abo referee ne-traveling expense yabo chance asishare ne-beast ne-5 tiger league i-30 asithenge nama-kits sithenge namabhola mayiwinwe ehlanganani kwanele kit abadlala ngaloku final le-sponsor ubona kusasa sekudlule ebhara hayi esithengisela ama-veg igcokile Orlando Lingers and akune-team engenajezi kunomjito oqeda ukuqala i-team ucoach akanajezi udlalisa abantwana ngama-bip then ustatus king yourself ukuthi wayelele awuthi ingalidonethelanga i-team yasekasilayo le jezi
so coach ukuya ngawe lama-tournament lawa afana nabo-Discovery nani you would suggest ukuthi kudlala ama-team a-competitive kuma-league nanokuthi kuzolandwa ihlanganani because ihlanganani njengoba usho ukuthi imali yakhona iya separate ways wena you building i-team ukuthi kusasa 5 or 10 players azothathwa Pirates ne-Chiefs So wena ba
and losiphatha ngithi kulawo ma-team ubheka ne kulawo ma-team kudlala ingudu kudlala nina nje you know kudlala nina ifana ile nto enginokuyisho ngithi that's why mina I hate i-cutting razor yama-legends mina kwi-tournament yami akuna-cutting razor yama-legends lo bantu siphinde isikhathi mina sihlale eground siphinde sibabhekelele faka amanda level babe motivated ukuthi badlale istadium sigcwele kune-comment asiba-motivated but under 13 asiba-motivated ayikho into ena-level engajabula ukudlala kwindawo egroundini ekuzodlala usikhwama kulo anina ntwana zithanda abo-shakes abobani don't imagine ukuthi before kudlala u-shakes uzodlala wena la ntwana ingajabula uyenzele unyaka
enye drive ezomphusha ukuthi aqhubekele phambili
thina into esenzayo ulanda u-Big Z nomkhaba iskipa singapho uyagijima lapha silokhu siyahlala and then what
you trend
and then what under 11 mina ngidlali bayazi hayi mawuqala ukuthi ama-masters ngithi hey dlala i-masters league hayi la etournamentini nami mangifuna i-cutting race ibize under 11
manje coach last question final
isikhathi sami
before lo mjito uqeda ubuza i-question
football of the season for wena ubani this is PSL
question you
Important.
yeah I think I would go no Rile ngizohamba no Rile no Apolis Apolis is there yeah for me I think they've given us something different from the past few years of the season. You know, if you check about Tebu and whatsoever, the young, the energetic, and giving the people of the season will be opening much bigger doors for them. So if we value our South African, talent, I think this is the right way to do it. You see? It gives them a CV. Uma ngihambe ngiyokudayisa phesheya with the reference ukuthi you are a player of the season. It gives you a bit of chance growth. You understand? Rather than kuthiwa I midfield of the season. Yeah. So I believe who really deserves it, and I hope the journalists and the coaches and everyone are in their right, because of ibhola yonke into seyenzwa imali mawunemali bazayithenga uzuza kuthiwa back to back uTebs take nothing away from uTebuko take nothing away from uTebuko
that's true but mina ngithi ngiyayithatha let's for everyone fine ngiyayithatha no police njengoba ngishiya
But they are compete.
if buffet they will take a player to Rile then Rile bamgaye PSL player of the year.
yeah so ifale kanjalo.
Yeah, that I'm 100% sure. Only if Biles isn't alright. But if in a Jojo, another Yellow Nation player will come. But available to Leon, Joba, if you get 3 weeks. I was doing someone. Secretary play of the season.
njengobani kanobani leya dala man ngathi beyidla iSwallows yabuya i-season say on
Yeah, then you're totally play of the
yathola
season.
play of the season bekwi-strike I think
I want to buy.
Africa.
yase-afrika
Bani? James Chamanga.
Uswailos.
Chamanga was the leading goal scorer.
Was
Yeah,
the
I
leading goal
remember.
scorer, yeah, I remember.
No, yeah, I'm coach here, but yeah, guys, no, I think ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngibonga kakhulu, and I still believe ukuthi angikhuluma konke engifuna ukukhuluma. Ngikhuluma too much and namcishe ngine-airtime eningi and emakwesi mayiphela akithi qale ukukhuluma i-airtime mayiphela kungena ama-3 minutes so mayiphela nje
Kune-reserve
3 minutes ayangena ke
no definitely kumele siyenze
Yeah, no, thank you very much even to the viewers, people that will be watching. Let's follow, let's subscribe.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm happy. India sekasa, machita sekasi. Thank you very much.
ngiyakona uzungithathela umsebenzi.
Oh, how was
shout out to Coach Sizwe.
Yeah.
No, shout out to
before
Coach
guys,
Sizwe. Shout out to Coach
shout out.
Sizwe.
Bengithi kula ma show ina kunama shout out. I just can't go without saying these people. that njengoba bengisho ukuthi benine problem yokusidula yabo but they believed in me. Umam Suzan uBhika uSakhile uMandla Shabalala uSizwe uNito ubhuti engamthola nje in terms of football umalume Jerry uchairman weIvory the team esibuyo manje uNhlanhla uManzi Mahlangu uSanele Manana uNdumiso uKolo you know them the few umzukisi then ngingakhohlwa endlini uMagriza neThamalamela lala belize egroundini izongibhekelela abantwana bami usisengihlala naye endlini uSandiswa so ngithi nje ngibonga kakhulu for support abangipha yona till today basangipha yona.
Shout out to them. And ucoach angakhohlwa ukubapha ilink ukuthi bayibhekele lephi.
Definitely. Yazi ngifuna ningenzeni something nje nice yabo. Engizoloku ngifaka kuma social zami enobuso bami nobuso benu nelink. Bazoyigijimisa. Watch out.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you
very much.
Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and comment down there below. Usitshela ukuthi unicabangani ngalento le besikhuluma ngayo vandag. Udissect nathi ayithola lento le. Thank you.
Travis.
Yeah, bafethu subscribe, she will make bafethu.